Hey guys, I'm Kaustubh and welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to upload a video to YouTube. Let's get started. First go to YouTube, then click on this camera icon. Okay, and click on any video. Okay. Okay, here is the video. Then click on this magic. Here you can see the filters, guys. Yes, guys. Here is the video filters. You can choose any of filters. Here is the normal, beam, blush, pop, crush, glow, slate, noir, and everything. You can choose any filter. Okay. Once when you done filtering video, then click on this, enter your video title here. Okay, when you're done with the Nerf Elite Disruptor gun, and enter your description also. Okay, okay. When you're done with the entering your title and description titles to your video, then click on this privacy button. Choose any of here, public, unlisted, and private. Now then click on this upload button. Okay, here it is uploading. Okay, and that's it. I show you the how to upload your YouTube video in YouTube in Android. So hope you enjoy this video, guys. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications. And bye bye. See you soon next